Welcome to the lecture series of Fourier transform. Today we are going to see a problem under Fourier sine and inverse transform. Look at the question. Find the f of x if its sine transform is e power minus as by s. Hence find fs inverse of 1 by s. So the question is, sine transformation of a function is given. We need to find the function. From that result we have some deduction, that is we have to find out fs inverse of 1 by s. So sine transformation result, using that we have to find out f of x. For this we have to use the inverse Fourier sine result. So the inverse Fourier sine transform is f of x is equal to root of 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity Fourier sine transform of f of x sine sx ds. So in this only we have to substitute our Fourier sine transform function that is given in the question. So we have to substitute our e power minus as by s in the equation 1. Therefore f of x is equal to root of 2 by pi 0 to infinity e power minus as by s. That is what given in the question, sin sx dx. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of, here we are having root of 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity e power minus as by s sin sx ds. So here root of 2 by is a constant, so root of 2 by pi we can take outside, and integral 0 to infinity dou by dou x of e power minus as by s into sin sx ds. Why it is become as dou by dou s means, here x and s two variables are there, so the differentiation will become as partial derivative. That is why we have written as dou by dou x of this one. So which is equal to root of 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity e power minus as by s into dou by dou x of sin sx ds. Now root of 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity e power minus as by s, differentiation of sin is cos sx into derivative with respect to x, so into s ds. So here s and s will be cancelled, so we can get root of 2 by pi integral 0 to infinity e power minus as cos sx ds. As we know very well that this is of the form integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax cos bx dx. What is the result for this? Result is a by a square plus b square. Now we have to compare this result with this one. So in the place of a we are having a only. In the place of b, a is equal to a. In the place of b we are having x. So b equal to x. So we can apply the result, which is equal to root of 2 by pi a by a square plus x square. This is what is our left hand side? Left hand side is d by dx of f of x. Okay, actually we need only f of x. So we are trying to cancel the d by dx. That means what we have to do? We are going to integrate on both sides with respect to x. So integration and differentiation will be cancelled off. So integrate on both sides with respect to x. So integral d by dx f of x equal to root of 2 by pi is a constant. So integral a by a square plus x square into dx. So integral, left hand side is integral d by dx of f of x, okay, equal to root of 2 by pi integral a by a square plus x square dx. Here a is a constant, this differentiation and integration will be cancelled off. So in the left hand side we can get only f of x. A is a constant, we can take outside 2 by pi into a. integral dx by a square plus x square. Now integral dx by a square plus x square is nothing but a result. What is the result? Which is equal to a into root of 2 by pi, which is equal to 1 by a tan inverse, it's a formula, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This is what the result. Now we can cancel the a, so we can get only root of 2 by pi tan inverse x by a. What is our left hand side? Left hand side is actually f of x. F of x is nothing but what? Fs inverse of f of x. Okay, Fs inverse of f of x. That is what our inversion formula. So Fs inverse of f of x is given. What is that? E power minus as by s equal to root of 2 by pi tan inverse of x by a. This is what the first part of the problem. So now we are going to find the second part of the question. Second part of the question is we need to find Fs inverse of 1 by s. So Fs inverse of 1 by s means now we got the answer for Fs inverse of e power minus as by s. So in this place, that is in the numerator, if it becomes 1s, then we can get the answer for the second part. So how to make this place as 1? We can make the place as 1. Put a is equal to 0. So put a equal to 0 in equation 2. So e power 0 is 1. Therefore Fs inverse of e power 0 divided by s equal to root of 2 by pi tan inverse x by 0. Okay, so this will become Fs inverse of 1 by s equal to root of 2 by pi tan inverse of x by a is nothing but what? Anything by 0. Anything by 0 is infinity. So root of 2 by pi tan inverse infinity value is pi by 2. So we can cancel this. We can get the answer as root pi by 2. What is our left hand side? Left hand side is Fs inverse of 1 by s equal to root of pi by 2. So this is what the answer for the second part. Here how we have cancelled this? Pi can be written as root pi into root pi, and 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So root pi and root 2 will be cancelled off. Remaining root of pi by 2 we can get. So this is our required answer for the second part. Thank you for watching.